Hi friends, welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. This is day 4 of Zero Level Speaking English course. Today we will learn how to ask and tell your age in English. Let's say some new words. Repeat after me. Age, years, old. Very good. Simple sentence. Let us speak some simple sentence. I am 10 years old. I am 15 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 25 years old. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Speak aloud. I am years old. Say your real age. Pause the video and repeat 3 times. Great job, my friends. Today you learn how to ask and answer about age in English. Keep practice every day. Like this video, comment your age in English and subscribe to Learn English by Speaking for day 5 tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.